Hey, it's me, Josh, and I'm gonna do a airsoft check, and I'm gonna start out with my shotgun and then my pistol. Here it is. So I have a really nice shotgun. It's pretty sick. It's really comfortable pistol grip. It has a really nice sight. And a really nice comfortable slide cock. It's like a real shotgun, and it's really hard to cock back. Oh, whoa, yeah, and that's pretty much it. And it takes shells in the side here, like flips over, and you could put shells in there, like this slides in there. Like so. Whoa. Oops. Okay. Whoa, that was kind of scary. But then I'm gonna go to my pistol. Another shell that comes with. I got this for like $100, and it's 650 feet per second. And this is my pistol. It's pretty sick. I just got it today, and it's pretty kick-ass. It's like really easy to cock back, like this. Like you can like see in there. It's pretty cool. And really nice grip, nice and comfortable, and it's like really nice magazine. Holds 25, and I got this for 50, I think. And it's pretty nice gun. I haven't tried it out yet. Like, it's gonna be pretty sick. And yeah, so make sure you comment and subscribe. So